So what's up everybody, my name is Sam Strongosas and today I'm going to be showing you how to have 1800 free computer science internship that you can apply for jobs and what have you. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you like and hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be dropping a few tips that I'm sure you would like. So I'm gonna meet you in a jiffy, don't go anywhere. Okay, so we're on Google, and just to cut to the whole thing, now internship is just probably working for a short amount of time for some pay, and for some website you have to pay for it and you have to apply. But I found a website that you can definitely do this for little or no cash, and I'm just going to get right to it. And the name of the website is Internshala. Okay, so I'm going to click on internshala.com. Okay, I can just search for it and internshala.com. Now it's going to open the website. This is a website that gives you an opportunity to do a lot of internships. So the next thing I want to do is this. This website was specially created by Indians, but then it serves everybody all over the world. I actually signed up today, and I think you should find it a lot helpful. Now I'm just going to go to computer science internship here on profile, and I'll click on internships. Now when I click on internship, it shows that I have 1800 computer science internships, and there are a whole lot of things on this website that I think you should find handy. Like, okay, for example, this is to participate in Python challenge. You might, when you might be watching this video, this might have elapsed already because today is 17th of May already, and it should be expiring in 13 hours here. So I think you can still just go down and search for which one you want exactly. Now search for it, and please make sure you tick the options that you know should be very convenient for you. You can click on work from home. Since it's an Indian website, you want to work from home. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in the US, wherever you are, you want to work from home. So for example, I can click on web development. The pay is 12,000 Dehi. I don't know what it's called, but the pay is good, and I can click view details. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to leave a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna be dropping videos really soon on how to go about different things. And then it tells me that the start date is immediately. That's after I apply for it, if I get accepted, and the duration is 2 months, and this is the stipend that I'm supposed to get, and this was when it was posted, that is today. And when you should apply for it, when you should get accepted is 14th of June, so you can as well pick that option, and then you can read about where you want, about the company that is looking for this particular service. Quick Ride is India's largest car polling network, founded in 2014, and you can just read all of them, and then it will tell you what skills you need. You need to learn HTML, CSS, Angular 2.0 and Angular 7.0. So without wasting much time, you can just click on who should apply. There's a letter of recommendation and a certificate if you work with them. Now, one thing I want you to watch very closely is, if an employee asks you to pay any security deposit, registration fee, laptop fee, whatever, he said do not pay. I say here do not pay. That should tell you that it's 100% free. You are supposed to just work and get your pay. And it says notify us immediately. He said remember, Internshala does not charge any fee for students to apply for an internship, and we do not allow any companies to do so. So you can as well just apply now, and this is my information already created before now, so you can just proceed to application. You can just sign up and have your informations. Then for example, they ask why should we hire you for this role. You can as well just type what you want, type your qualifications, anything that you know is going to be good for you. Then just type it, and then you can just submit. Now when you submit it, you say your application has been submitted. Now you can go back to the internships, and you can see other ones that are relating to this particular course or whatever that you can work on, and you should get your applications accepted. So since we have 1800, you can just always go back and search for which ones you love, and which ones you think you can really work on, and which ones you think your qualifications should be very good the most. You can search for internship with job offers, and the more you click it, okay, they don't have anyone with job offers, you can just work on it and then look for which ones you think you can work on, and which ones you think you can really work on. So Please make sure you check this out, and subsequently we'll be releasing videos on how to get free courses on computer science. If you like this video, if this video was helpful to you by any way, just please make sure you like and hit the subscribe button. This is Amstrong signing out. Bye bye.